3, 2, 1. TEDxSVIET.
I think that today is the first day of rest of my life. That is my beautiful quote. And if I want to change, the time is now.
You need to work on one thing at a time. Only then you'll be able to build those stairs that will take you to heaven. That heaven could be money, that could be success, that could be happiness.
So don't wait for the perfect roadmap. Just start with one and you'll figure out the rest.
Want to connect with people and feel relatable. That is the most important thing.
Success is the failure to fail. Remember that, okay? So you need to fail a lot of times to be successful. And every time you fail, remember, Arey, I succeeded at failing, so I can't succeed now. So if you want to really succeed, you got to fail at failing, right? So if you do that, I think you should be good.
And the way you've organized everything, absolutely amazing. The management to your hosting, to taking care of us, and of course, the videos that you made, absolutely.